Hi, welcome back. Chef Tim Souza from Poor Judgment Bar and Grill, Newport, Rhode Island. I've been a chef in Newport for over 10 years, and today I'm going to show you how to make seared sea scallops with a hoisin butter sauce. Let's dive right into the ingredients. Today we have some lovely sea scallops that we're going to sear up, and we're going to glaze them with this wonderful hoisin butter sauce. So let's talk about the sauce first. Talk about searing the scallops next. Sauce is of fermented soybean paste and soybeans, so it's a predominantly soy-based product. Some people like to call it the Asian ketchup. And then we're going to add a little sriracha for a little bit of kick, and that's just a ground chili paste that is sold as well, and that's a very popular Asian item. We're going to garnish the dish with a little bit of fresh chopped cilantro, just for some color and a little bit of flavor. So to make the sauce, we're going to combine the honey, vinegar, the sriracha, and hoisin, and bring those to a simmer very quickly, and then fold in our butter just to thin out and round out the sauce. And then we're going to sear our scallops in a nice hot skillet, salt and pepper, and a touch of olive oil. About 2 to 3 minutes each side. You should have crispy scallops with a nice medium rare center. It's lovely. So what I've done is I've seared our scallops and I've assembled our sauce. So right now we're ready to go ahead and plate the dish. And I'm going to go show you that right now. So I'll take my plate, and as you can see, I've got these lovely seared scallops. Nice crisp on the outside, nice medium rare on the inside, just the way we like them. Put those right down there. And your sauce should come out with a semi-thick consistency. The hoisin sauce is really, really thick. So you should see it have a nice drizzle like that, and that's great for coating scallops. Now this is going to have a semi-sweet and spicy flavor, and we're going to drizzle it right over each scallop, just like that. So your sauce should stand up on the plate just like it is there. We're going to garnish with some fresh cilantro, just for a little bit of color and a touch of flavor. And in minutes, you've got pan-seared scallops with a hoisin butter sauce, just like that.